Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to subtract with more than one zero. Now, if you haven't already, go check out my previous video where I taught you how to subtract with one zero. So that will be on the top right corner of your screen on the eye icon. And then this will be a lot more clearer and easier to work with. So there are two ways you can do this. The first way, we're going to work by each column. So we're going to write down the two numbers in vertical algorithm. So we have 300 minus 278, to the big line, which is the equal sign. Okay, so before we start working with this, we're going to cross out the middle zero here, and we're going to add 10 onto it. So 0 plus 10 is 10. And then we're going to cross out the next number, which we have is 3, and minus 1 since we added 10 onto the other one. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we can start working with it. So here we have 0 minus 8. We can't do that, so we're going to cross that out. And we're going to add 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10. And since we did that on the next one, we have to subtract 1. So 10, here we cross it out. And 10 minus 1 is 9. So we write 9. And now 10 minus 8 is 2, so you write 2. 9 minus 7 is 2, so you write 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So you don't have to write anything, or you could write 0, but it means 22 over here. Okay, so the next way we're going to do is we're going to write down the vertical algorithm. It's 300 minus 278. So here we have, we're going to work with the whole lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out the first one and add 10 because you can't subtract 0 from 8. And now what we're actually going to do is we're going to cross out the whole 30 we have over here, the whole number, and subtract 1, which is 29. So if you can see here, it's the same thing, 29 over here and 2 and 9 over here, except we skipped this whole 10 stage. So we're on the right path. It's the same thing, just skipped a whole step to make it much more quicker. And then, so here we have 10 minus 8, which is 2. 9 minus 7, which is 2. 2 minus 2, which is 0. So you don't have to write anything there. So 300 minus 278 equals 22.